We're looking at a 2021 FXBBS Softail Street Bob in Baja Orange. Comes with the Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch engine, mid-mount controls. Does have a engine guard, double as a highway peg. Has a 2-up aftermarket seat, beautiful diamond stitching with that same orange. Has Viking aftermarket saddlebags, lockable, aftermarket bullet turn signals, Willie G derby cover with the matching Willie G gas cap, center gauge on the bars with 9,913 miles on the odometer. Lace front wheel. Also has that Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start.